In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. So we're going to start from our Robinhood app, and in here we're going to click on Receive. And right now we're going to select the crypto that we want to send. So in this tutorial, we're going with Solana. So let's click on Solana in here. And below we can copy this wallet address to our clipboard. And this is what we need to insert into our Coinbase. So let's go to Coinbase now. And from our Coinbase home screen, we're going to click on Transfer. And in here we see Send Crypto. And right now we need to paste in the wallet address from our Robinhood in here. And after you do that, you can click on the wallet down below. Select the crypto you want to send, in my case Solana. Enter the amount you want to send and click on Preview. Due to EU regulations, I need to fill in some extra details and I'm going to click on Exchange. Search for Robinhood and select Robinhood Crypto. Check the box Sending to myself if you are sending it to yourself, or enter the recipient's full name in here. And also enter the recipient's country of residence. And after that, you click on Continue. If everything is all right, click on Send Now down below. And as you can see, our transfer is successful. So right now, click on Done. And at the top, I see that my Solana is received. So that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. Thank you for watching and subscribe.